Ebyona abigambire nyamuhabazyo obwabire nabugabuganaho eminyeto ohurgo mugombora ya Kasana Shem omwishazi eria NRM Youth.
Ihanga ndigira amagoba waskiringa abana bato abo kwa bine myaka mingi yo gukora abakuzire bina magezi konke myaka mingi yo maiso ne abana bato babine skills.
Agambire aha kintu eky'amashanyarazi n'amizi atyo nukwe kushaba ebiro 9
mwatayo bamemba ba parliament bakasana omwirima gwayanga ijo twagire mpaka najya mundero kuru amashanyarazi ngijo myaka makumwe yes makumwe
ashabire minyeto okwehara abarukubaronderaho byabo abarukubakozesa emyeto egambire ebiru kudishasha etyo nukwe okushaba government okukora ahamirumweji
kuyatuyamba hanshonga y'amizi bange inshonga y'amizi kumucyaro kitu kihara tubonabona munonga n'umwanya munonga gwine bisozi byinji amizi tugiho mu mpanga hansi
yabo inshonga yo kutunaga enyuma nk'abantu bakirubu wahikayo kareba imbuto za kirubu ukareba abantu kuba basharira imbuto tubintu gamba bajya ngo bayembaza kwijya kuzirebeze nguto za kirubu konko mu mazima garuko nito twireruke nyuma twine nguto twine ishomero.
Professor Ephraim Kamuntu abugabugineho abakazi ba Bugonyi Town Council omuri Shema District.
Teka ngo mukabugonyi Town Council kutwakubona enguto nunzi ukashange nkoko yakubenegura omutwaro gumo mu cyaro haba hatarokorasi bajongeza yazamtwarisha
omugandi abebembezi okurwo mu district 13 ezo mugera gwa Rizi gurukurabamo bahigwa okongera mani omuhuru regenderire okucungura omugera gwa Rizi. Ebi byagambwa Assistant Commissioner o Ministry y'Ebyamizi n'Ebyobuhangwa obubyaba nakingaho omushomo gw'abebembezi aho batayayire n'emyanya nkanyamitanga Kihumuro Kachigani barukurambura emiti eya bambu ebyirwa hamujerogo.
So we need to protect it by all means, and I request the government to come in because people they can't understand unless you tell them forcefully. So we need to protect Riz, we need to do whatever we can.
But now what can I propose? Let the community now get interested. Not only in worship, mining is not only in worship. We need to, for example, understand who are the miners.
Abebembezi bayoreka okuba riyo bashongera entebekanseji ya Ministry y'Ebyamizi eriyo nekora okurabira omukitongore ekya Worldwide Fund narshi WWF ekutunga obushagiki okurwo mu company ya Nairobi Breweries.
Tugende ahari 30 meters 40 50 and you sensitize the community, they will understand and they will like it. Hati nkana azakora nk'icyo kurebera because we shall bring the community and say
and so as we are monitoring surface water, we are monitoring the quality of the water, but we are also tracking to see how the trends in groundwater are changing.
Abatura basima okubakwatiraho bakabahereza endijo mirumo yo kubahereza entasya bwanyuma yo kubabinga ombishara.
Batereza ente ishatu zikana mwanyu zazaruki
tukubasa garaho ebyobutonde utakozere abantu ba community.
Kasha kwa Michael Atwachire na Michael Tumwachire abwa TV West.